Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of iHerb. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of iHerb and you will click here in this window of iHerb as you see, and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your